Step into the dramatic world of 16th century Italy with Anselm Feuerbach's The Death of Pietro Aretino. Painted in 1854, this powerful masterpiece depicts the final moments of the controversial writer and satirist. Feuerbach's masterful brushstrokes capture the raw emotion of Aretino's death, his face etched with a lifetime of experiences. The painting is a meditation on life, death, and the legacy of a complex figure. Inspired by the Neoclassical style, Feuerbach's work draws on the rich history of the Renaissance. His interpretation of Aretino's death is both a tribute to the past and a reflection on the human condition. This painting is more than just a beautiful image, it's a historical document. It offers us a glimpse into the life and times of a controversial figure and invites us to contemplate the enduring nature of art and literature. So the next time you encounter a work of art, consider the stories and emotions hidden within